There we go. Tap your toes. Welcome. Shoulders backwards. Hi, Linda, lately. Arms up and back. Nice and slow. That's it.
Ain't nobody crying. Ain't nobody worried. Ain't no smiling faces.
Let's go with your heels. 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 Open your chest. Good. 4, 3. Oh, there we go. So your arms. Opposite arm than the leg. Opposite. This has been too long. Heels again. Heels. Heels. Shoulders forward. 4, 3. Oh, he's awake. Let's go. Big arms up. Up. Again. 4, 3. Step touch. Let's go forward. 4, 3, 2. Backwards for 4. Again, forward. Backwards. Leg curls. 4, 3, 2. Forward. Let's go backwards. Forward. Backwards. Tap side and reach. 4, 3, 2. Let's go front. That's it. 4, 3, 2, and cross. Again. 4, 3, 2. Down. Look straight ahead. 4, 3, 2. Up for 4. Front. Cross. Down. 4, 3, 2. Up for 2. Front. Cross. Down. Up. Front. Cross. Down. And march. Heels again. Swing your arms. Again for 4. How many? What? What? Coffee break. Let's go tap. Tap. 4, 3, 2. Let's go. Only with your right, 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 right. I'm tapping back, back, and forward. Back and forward. Ready? Switch your legs. Same thing. Tap back, come forward. Again for 4. Do you feel it? 3. You're not awake yet, huh? Knees up. I'm talking to myself. I know. Open your knees. Yeah, Donna said. In 4, 3, 2. Let's go back step touch. I'm gonna travel to the right. Are you ready? Let's go. 4, 3, 2, and switch. 4, 3, 2. Switch for 4. Again, stretch. Make sure you're lifting your feet. Now let's go for 2 and 2. That's it. Optional to cross in front. Again for 4. Cross under, cross back. Let go. Move, let go. Move, let go. Clap up. Oh. What's going on here? There we go. 4, 3, 2. Knees up. Stay nice and tall. So, have you had too much turkey? Have you had too much cookies? I had too much cookies and chocolate. Open your knees. 4, 3, 2. How's your hips? I know. I feel mine as well. Which is good. Step back. Step. Step. Again for 8, 7. Come on. Am I alone here? I can't hear you. Oh, I can hear you. Step back. Let's go forward and backward. I know. Skater. That's it. And again, forward, backward. Come on, Island. Move. Move. Step, side, and reach. 4, 3, 2, front. Cross. Down. 4, 3, 2, up for 2. Front. Cross. Down. Let's go 2. Front. Cross. And down. Let go. Good. We're going to press in front. Press. Press. Reach. That's it. Again, 4, 3, 2. Let's go 4, 4, 3, 2, and reach. Let's go forward. 4, 3, 2. Back and reach. Same. 4, 3, 2. Back and reach. And march. Let's open your chest. Open. Open. Good. Step in front. Step. Step. That's it. See, you got it now. Opposite arm than the leg. You got it. Okay, march. Bring your palms up. Exhale, palms down, past your hips. Again, up. Remember what we used to do? And again, let's go. Oh, I love it. You give me goosebumps. I get 2 more. One more, let's go. Make it loud, not loud enough. One more, let's go loud. Step back. again. 4, 3. Oh, you're quiet again. You're gonna be in big trouble. Big trouble. 4. Do you feel it? Hello? No? Okay, let's go. Move in and out. Are we feeling it? Are we feeling it? Are you sure? Switch. Step back. Step back. In and out. 4. Are we feeling it? What about here? Are you sure? No? Okay, keep going. And march. Inhale. Exhale, cactus. Yeah, up. Down, cactus. 2. Last one, up. Open your legs. Ready? Bend one knee and switch. Good. So keep your chest up. 4, 3, 2. And legs together. Toes up. Inhale. Exhale. Again, keep your toes up. Toes up. Let's switch it up. Just look. Just a small step. Some of you are way too far forward. That's why you're losing your balance. Feet together. Toes up. Okay? Let's try again. Inhale up. Exhale. Have you switched your feet? Have you switched your feet? Yeah, there we go. Again, 2. Last one. Good. And release. March again. Inhale. Move your hips. And down. One more time. Up. Good. And release. Good job. Let's grab water.